Hello there, welcome to your latest Scotland forecast. Well, it's been a wet couple of days across eastern areas in particular, several flood warnings still in force, and little change in the weather moving through the rest of the weekend into the beginning of next week as well. Low pressure remains in charge, further weather systems moving in from the Atlantic, bringing wet and windy weather at times. So looking at the details for the rest of Saturday and into the early hours of Sunday. Dry initially in the east, however, a band of rain will continue to move in from the Atlantic. This bumping against some colder air, turn to snow over the higher ground of Scotland, 10-20 centimetres or so possible here. But it is the rain which is the focus. It continues to be the focus across eastern parts. We could see another 30, possibly 40 millimetres in places, which could just exacerbate the issues here a little bit further. So we do have a Met Office yellow rain warning in force through the early hours of Sunday, and in fact much of Sunday itself too. Behind this, there'll be a scattering of showers moving in, and this will stop temperatures from falling too low for many of us, generally 5 or 6 Celsius, and winds picking up particularly around the coasts too. So a wet start to Sunday morning, lots of cloud around, still some wintriness over the higher ground. The rain should slowly start to ease across the far east, but it does take its time here, eventually clearing out into the North Sea, but Orkney and Shetland seeing some showery rain into the evening time. Elsewhere, it should brighten up as we move through the afternoon. There'll be some sunny spells, but scattered showers. Showers most frequent in the west, some of these heavy, perhaps some hail and thunder in there too. Blustery around the coast, so just hold the temperatures back a little bit, generally between 7 and 9 degrees for many of us. So it'll just feel a little bit chilly for the time of year. Through the evening time, we'll continue to see showers in the west, but we'll start to see clearing skies elsewhere. Those skies will remain clear overnight. We'll see some frost and maybe even some icy stretches developing as temperatures tumble towards, if not below freezing, perhaps -3 to -5 Celsius in 1 or 2 spots. But that means a sunny start to Monday morning, plenty of blue skies to start the day, but showers will quickly move into northern and eastern areas, and then thicker cloud and rain will start to spread in from the southwest too, which will arrive by evening time for many of us. But in between, most of us getting away with a dry day, some sunny spells. Winds coming in from the east and temperatures generally around average, 7 to 9 Celsius, maybe just feeling a little bit chilly along some eastern coasts here. So as I mentioned, as we go through the next few days, it continues to remain unsettled. We'll see further spells of rain, stronger winds at times, and you can find more information on this on our social media channels. See you again soon.